then 10 count. Okay, then relax. Again press heel down and relax. Again press heel, then relax. Okay, repeat this one on opposite side as well. Your heel should be at the level of knee and press down, 10 count hold and then relax. Relax. Now another exercise, bend your both legs bend through, place properly, and during this exercise you should remove pillow from the neck. Okay, and place your hands parallel and lift your back as you can. Lift your back and hold till 10 count and then slowly relax. You should also repeat this exercise at the certain level 10, 12, 15 times. Okay, this one of the best exercise in back pain, lower back pain, and many other cause of lower back, which is spasmodic or weak lower muscles. Again, lift, 10 count hold. Okay, and then slowly relax. Then we should start simultaneously core muscle strengthening as well with this exercise. So during this exercise we should lift our both legs in all 90 angle. Okay, 90 angle. Okay, 10 count hold and then slightly down. You feel the pressure on abdominal muscles in this exercise. Again, lift your back. Good. Relax. Again. Relax. Now turn side. Now we should start with some advanced exercise for best result in back pain, or who having lower back pain in age between 30 and 40 because of postural and many other cause. You should lift yourself, okay, on your elbow. Okay, on elbow you should lift yourself, your pelvis and knee, and make a side plank position. Okay, very good. Hold this till 3, 5 and 10 count as much as you can. Okay, and relax. Repeat only 3, 4, 5 times in starting, then gradually increase up to 10. Okay, this one is your side plank position as well. Now done fully. And you should also do this exercise on opposite hand. Okay, now lift yourself. This is prone plank. Next it, lift your pelvis, lift your knees and close your toes, hip down, and you should hold yourself in this position between 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, as much as you can. Okay, relax your neck down. After this you start with back strengthening, SLR in prone. Lift your one leg, no straight leg with straight leg. Lift your leg upside. Good, and 10 count hold and then relax. Then opposite side. Your knees should be straight, not bent anytime. Okay, and repeat simultaneously. Repeat. Ankle should be normal. Okay. relax. And after this we should use also a cobra pose to reduce a back pain quickly, and it also helps in disc bulge. Stretch yourself, place your pelvis on the bed and lift your upper chest up to the abdomen. Stretch yourself, stretch your neck and hold yourself. Okay, and you should maintain this posture and during your mobile phone working on laptop or watching TV. Okay, and keep this position daily once 10 to 15 to 20 minutes daily for lower back pain. Okay, another lift and come on knees. One of the best for the back stretch, child pose stretch. Stretch as much as you can. For this, it's also stretch our lower back, lumbar region. Okay, you feeling stretch here? Okay. Now come gradually up and hold in this position. One of the best flexible exercise for spine. Bend your neck, okay, and lift your spine as much as you can lift. Okay, feeling stretch at this level. Now repeat alternatively. Slightly extend your neck up and lowering your spine, lumbar spine down. Okay, upside and this down, then simultaneously this down and this up. Repeat this gradually, up down, up down. This is one of the best flexible exercise of the spine, which helping in lower back pain as in disc problems also. And do this exercise up to 10 to 15 to 20 counts. Okay, relax. Sit here. And last one exercise, lift your leg up with lock your ankle and straight your spine, and okay, simultaneously both sides. Lock ankle, 10 count hold, then relax. Okay, this one the exercise for back pain. We can do 2 and 3 more exercise for the better outcome. Hold your heel free, up down. Okay, relax and come down.